guys, welcome to my channel Bangalore Motovlogs. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. So this video, by seeing the thumbnail, I think you got to know what is this, okay, but how it happened and what is the issue, I will tell you. So recently I was on a ride to some hills. Soon I'm going to upload, or it may be uploaded now. Okay, I will leave the link in the I button and the description for that video which I'm talking about. So recently what happened on that ride, my bike right indicator, rear indicator got broken. New one, yes, it happened with me. And the thing is, actually I was about to brake. In a sense, my friend, one of my friends is riding, he's leading the ride actually. So I was following him, and when he applied the brake, I applied the brake. But the other guy who is behind me, he tried to stop, but it was not able to stop. He didn't stop actually, but he tried. I can, if you see this video, you will get to know. I will show that video in a minute. So what happened? He applied a brake, but he didn't stop it at the exact moment what he's thinking. So it directly came and hit that bike indicator, the silencer. So this is what happened. That's why the indicator is broken. So now I am heading to the TVS service center. I asked them already. They have confirmed that they have stock. So let me go and replace that. So it's a minor thing. They told me that around 250 rupees for this indicator. So let's see. Let's go and let's first I need to change that part actually. Everything is good and the indicator is broken with a new bike. You know how it feels, right? That's a problem. So before that, I will show you how the indicator looks now. Then I will play that clip. You watch the clip, how it happened, you will get to know. Then directly we'll meet near the service center. So I will stop somewhere here. I will show you that indicator condition. Wait, let me stop it here. So, yes. I will show you. Yeah, here you can see now, right? So this part, exact this part. So you can see now, this is the part. This part got broken. See, now it's hanging like this. And here some dent happened, but I removed the dent. But this one, see, it should be like that. But this one gone. So it will be shaky and I can't use it at all. In a sense, the light will work. I will show you that. Yeah. Oh, it didn't turn off actually. Now it turned off. See, the light is working fine, no issue with that. But you know, the defective part, right? It should be replaced. That's my thing. I need to change it. So here also it got it taken the damage. You can see here. Okay, that's fine. However, I got a new stock. I need to replace it. Let's replace it in a while. So in the meantime, you go and watch that video and get back. We'll meet near the service center. Okay. What happened here? Anything happened to you? Okay. Yes. Indicator gone. Now I need to replace it. Yes, we reached the service center. So if you know that, it's in Bombasandra. I think you know that. So now I need to replace it. Usually everyone has to park their vehicle here. So let me park it here. So now I need to tell my problems. So the bike is parked here. I'm waiting for the person. Let him come. Once he comes, let me explain him what is the issue actually. Then we'll see. And ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ವೀಡಿಯೋ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಒಂದು ವ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಟೂರ್ಸು ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ಸು. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನು ಆ ಥರ ಏನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ನಡನೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಬಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ರು, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಅದು ಸಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಕೇಳೋಣ ಏನು. ಇವಾಗ ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರದ್ದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನಾನು. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ನಾನು ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ರೈಡೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಉಡುಪಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ರೈಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ ನಿಜಗಲ್ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಅದೊಂದು ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15ಗೆ. ಅದು ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅವರು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. So guys, you can see now there's an indicator. There's a part number is this one N922570. Okay, and the price is 232 rupees inclusive of all taxes, everything. So this is the part. I don't know why they mentioned RR here. Oh, rare right. Okay, not Apache RR, it's a rare right. Okay, nice. Which I ordered this one and I got this one. Nice. Now the only thing is I need to get it fixed done. That's it. So what it happened. ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ರೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವ್ನು ABS ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಂದು ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೊಡೆದ. ಇದೋಯ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಅದೇನು ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು so guys, you saw that right? Job got everything done. So now they will take my bike inside the ramp and they will replace that. So approximately they have given like 230 rupees for 232 for the indicator and what is that 70 rupees for the replacement they have given approx. Let's see how it comes on the final price. I will update you on that. So guys, as you can see now, the bike is ready with the new indicators. Yeah, it's here. Still the cover wrap has not yet removed. Maybe I'll remove it later. So you can see now what a clear picture of how it happened and that. This thing, it should be inside of this. So let me hold this one first. Okay, this thing actually it should be inside of this plastic part. But unfortunately you can see that this is the point where it is holding actually in the back side, from the back side. But this came out. So this came out in a sense, see, it just wires everything exposed and there is nothing to hold on it. So it's of no use now. So just to keep it and play. Just one bulb I got, that's it. So it won't be useful. See these two wires, there is the positive and negative. These two will internally that will connect here. So just simple. This they are going to insert it here and they will lock with the nut which is holding here back side. I can't show you that now. It's in back side. So after that it will just fix. See, the same way. Okay, it's fixed. So this is what happens, guys. So let me see what is the cost of that, the total installation and the chain loop also for this. Chain loop also done. So nicely they given it the box. It's packed, so I can keep it. On top of that, again I am showing you, it's actually 232 rupees per one set. In a sense, one number. that's a rare ride. So let me ask them what's the total cost. ಅದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಏನು ಬಿಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. Ask them the price first. They did all these things, then let's see what's the price, what they are going to say the total price. So guys, as I told you earlier, the bike is ready, everything with the thing, and you can see there that the happiest thing is, see, the total price is 232. They didn't charge me any labor charge or something like that. They just charged for the part which is cost around 232 rupees. You can see that turn signal indicator, they have written turn signal, so it costed me 232 rupees. They charged me 232 rupees only, so they didn't charge me any labor charge or something like that. So that job type they did as running repair, so it will be considered as a first service. Some issue will be there, so they have rectified kind of thing, so they won't charge anything. And one more thing guys, so many are asking like, where is the mileage video, mileage, what about the mileage of this vehicle? So many questions about the mileage. Surely I'm working on it, because I don't want to say, see, it's like almost 2000 kilometers. I can't say like what is the exact like that. I know that within the 1000 kilometers, so many have made a videos like, okay, this is the mileage I'm getting, everything, but I don't want to make like that. I'm checking on every petrol station, every fuel station, like from Reliance to Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum, HP, and you name it, Shell, SR, everything. So I'm trying everything, every time, every full tank of that every fuel station. So let me get on average. I'm getting different results on different fuel. That's why it's taking delay. So hope you understand guys. Then you have to wait for that video. Again, one more tank is waiting. Once I done one more fuel tank, then surely I'll make a video on that. So I'll tell you the exact figure, how much we are getting, total, what's the mileage, everything I will tell you guys. So by saying that, I'm going to end this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, bye.